Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Courtyard by Marriott Akron Stow. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This hotel, conveniently located just 5 miles from the Ohio Turnpike, offers an indoor swimming pool and a hot tub. The Courtyard by Marriott Akron Stow also features a gym with cardiovascular equipment, free Wi-Fi access, coin-operated laundry and free parking. All air-conditioned units at the Courtyard by Marriott Akron Stow feature a work desk and coffee machine. Each room is fitted with a 32-inch flat-screen TV. Guests can enjoy a refreshing breakfast at the Bistro, including specialty beverages made with Starbucks coffee, or dinner with beer and wine options. For dinner, guests can benefit from the local restaurant dinner delivery. The Brookledge Golf Club is 5 miles from the Courtyard Akron Stow. Leisure time swimming and recreation is just 3.1 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.